Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Dost, my dear friends. I am back again with another job update for all of you, and this job update is coming from KIOCL Limited. Okay, so it is a mini Ratna company, 100% EOU profit making central public sector enterprise. Now, so they are looking for graduate engineer trainee GET, and the pay scale is 40,000 to 1,40,000. Qualification is a full-time engineering degree in discipline from a recognized university. Pass out from 2019 till 2023 are eligible to apply, but with a GATE score of 2022 and 2023. Minimum 75% marks in general category, 65% for SC, ST, PWBD, OBC and OBC for all semesters. So this is aggregate percentage they are asking. CGPA, in terms of CGPA, 7.9 for general and 6.8 for other categories. Mechanical has 5 vacancies, metallurgy 3, electrical and triple E 5, IC, EC is 3, instrumentation control and electronics communication actually, civil 2, mining 2 and computer science 2. Total 22 vacancies are there, beta. Age limit, upper age limit is relaxed by 5 years for SC/ST, 3 years for OBC. Okay. Now, this is the breakup of the post given. Electrical and triple E, 2 vacancies in SC/ST, 2 vacancies in OBC, 1 in general. EC, 3 vacancies total, 1 in SC and 2 in general. Okay. General condition, beta, you must read the advertisement carefully before you wish to apply. And you need to submit a DD of ₹1,000 in the favor of KIOCL Limited payable at Bengaluru. And reservation they have given. Okay, they have given some general details. These are all very generic details. You can go through it. These are mentioned in almost all the notification. Okay. Service contract. You need to serve a bond of minimum of 4 years from the date of joining in the form and manner prescribed by the company. Training and probation, you will be training for 1 year with respect to the date of joining. For 1 year, you will be under probation. After successful completion of training, then only you will go into the permanent job. Okay. And in probation year, in the training year also, you will be under the same scale of pay. So you will be placed in the E0 level in a pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000 and or such corresponding scale as amended. So amended means that pay revision will come. So whenever that comes, so it will be amended from time to time. As of now, you will be under the pay scale of 40,000 to 1,40,000 plus other allowances like TA, DA, HRA. Okay. On successful completion of 12 months training, you will be on probation of 12 months for the same scale. After successful completion of probation and confirmation in writing, your pay scale will increase to 50,000 to 1,60,000. So 12 months training, then 1 year probation, and then your pay scale will increase. So above post carries basic pay, dearness allowance, HRA, perks, benefits like PF, gratuity, group insurance, all these things. You need to just visit their website, beta, kiocllimited.in. The position filling has started from 30th of August. That is, the applications have started and it will continue till 30th of September. You can just visit this link and click on apply online. You need to enter your GATE marks out of 100 in 2022 or 2023. Also need to provide details about your enrollment ID, email ID, registration ID, date of birth. Okay, so that information will be used to verify your GATE score and confidentiality will be maintained about your credentials. Candidate appearing in different GATE paper other than your engineering degree. Suppose your degree is from electrical, you are appearing for EC, you will not be considered for selection. Your degree and your GATE qualification should be from the same branch. Okay. No request to change in any data entered by the candidate will be entertained. You cannot change your data, so make sure that whatever data you are filling in the first attempt is the correct one. You need to take a printout of the application form after filling it online with a system generated application number and note down your application number so you can use it for the future reference. DD, if applicable, should reach the Chief General Manager HR Department, KIOCL Limited, Koramangala 2nd Block, Sarjapura Road, Bengaluru by 7th of October. You should write the advertisement number, name of the post applied, discipline, system generated application number on envelope while sending the hard copy of application. No manual paper application will be entertained unless you directly apply online. So unless you apply online, they'll not consider your application. But after applying online, you need to take out a printout of the form, whatever you have filled. Along with that, you have to enter, you have to attach your DD, and on the envelope, you have to write advertisement number, name of the post, discipline, and the system generated application number. Okay, if the hard copy is not received, they'll reject your soft copy application. And along with the application form and DD, you have to use the self-attested photocopies of your relevant documents. Okay. Then there are some general conditions which you can go through. Now, mode of selection, 85% weightage will be given to your GATE score and 15% weightage will be given to your interview. And merit list will be finally prepared based on these weightages. Date, time and venue of the interview will be told to you via email, will be informed to you. Ratio of candidate considered for interview is 1:6. So the vacancies multiplied by 6. That many students will be called for interview. Document to be enclosed along with the application form, 2 recent passport size photograph, age certificate, that is your class 10 certificate, educational qualification all year semester wise mark sheet, and passing certificate from 10th standard onwards, GATE 22 or 23 scorecard downloaded from the GATE website, DD and caste certificate, disability certificate, all these things. The applications have started from 30th of September, 30th of August. They will close on 30th of September, and hard copy you can send by 7th of October. Interview date will be told to you. So these are all the details, bacho, and I hope ki if you have gotten a good score in GATE 22 or 23, you should definitely apply. But since the vacancies are very less, only the high scorers that did not get a chance to work in a PSU, they can apply. But if you are an average scorer, let us say you are around, let us say 500 rank, 1000 rank. So below 500 people should apply. If some people are left out, or below 700 you can go. But above 700 rank, I don't think it is worth it to apply because the application fees is very high. And one more thing, beta, if you are a GATE 24 or a 25 aspirant, then definitely you should become a part of Exam Dost. You should make me a part of your journey so that we can work together. We can make an honest effort together towards your career, towards your goal, towards your rank. And believe me, my friend, when I say this, if you join Exam Dost, it is going to be an experience of a lifetime, and you will find the most hardworking educator dedicated day and night towards your success. And one more benefit is, once you join Exam Dost right now, you are getting 30% discount on our Lakshya June batch. You just have to go to our website or app and use the code ED30. Other than that, beta, we also have a power system standalone course coming up on which you can get 20% discount if you use the code PS20. And third thing is the test series. You can also become a part of our test series. There you will get 10% discount using the code Ankit ESE. If you have any queries, if you have any concerns, feel free to contact us over WhatsApp. The WhatsApp number is given below, 7089047561. If you have any query related to this vacancy, feel free to comment in the comment section. I'll be happy to read all your comments and reply to each and every comment of yours. Okay, so that's it from my side. Signing off. Thank you and all.